Ten second shot lang. 31, 2 points. Ten second shot lang. Rebound 31. Still number 8. Rebound number 23. Rebound 47. Foul basket. Foul number 31.
First foul. 31.
Foul number 47.
Ilan na sir? First foul. Wala. Pasok.
Baseline side, dalawang side lang.
Nice!
Down!
Ten second shot lang. Rebound 27.
Nice!
31 good points. Assist 27. Ten second shot lang. Still 31.
Wala kang papel dyan, pre.
Elbow possessional. Bronson.
So, wala, hindi na ano yung monitor. Wala. Oo, wala nang ganun, sir. Palitan nyo na, sir. Pwede palitan.
38 points. Assist 31. 15 good points. Rebound number 8. Foul number 32.
First foul. Card yun. Scorecard.
Three, number 15.
Hindi, okay na.
Substitution, foul number 47. Substitution. Substitution.
Second foul.
Ganyan pa eh. Jowars. Tres.
Rebound number 23. Steal.
Nice boss.
80 points.
San Patrick. Nice.
Ball number 27. Substitution. Substitution.
Second foul.
Second ball number 27.
Patay.
Three, number 15. Score, all 41.
Bawi yan. Ay, kasi.
10 second shot clock. Foul. Number 13. Substitution. Two points. Number 24. Rebound number 13. Steal number 46. Steal number 42. Steal number 59. Steal number 8.
Shoot. Yan.
24, 2 points.
On.
Substitution, ball number 7. Substitution.
Lumar. Sa'yo, pumasok ata po. 46 pumasok.
Ten second shot clock. Rebound number 24.
Supply ni ano, supply ni Ichi sa 3 points.
Ten second shot clock. Three. Number 8. Rebound number 8.
Supply ni ano no, yung Isalas.
Wala nga yun.
24, 2 points.
Kayo nakashoot sir, di kayo pwede mag-timeout. Kayo nakashoot eh. Kayo naka-basket, di kayo pwede mag-timeout. Sila dapat. Buti hindi ako nagulat.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Rebound number 8. Ten second shot clock. Rebound number 44. Out of bounds. Timeout. Ant-Man.
Hindi ako nagulat doon, no? Hindi ako napabasa na timeout. Nagulat ako doon, nabasa ko yun.
Hindi ka magugulat din, no?
Alerto pa mo sa mga bigla ang timeout. Nakita ko puti yung humingi, siya lang nakashoot ko. Hindi na maalala.
Kaya paano niya sa akin? Nakaset up na yun. Hindi ko naman sa akin. Mga number dapat sila.
Back to the ball game.
Sino? Hindi. Maglalaro rin din sa kanila.
UP yan eh. UP. Ay, Ateneo.
Oo. Pala yan.
Ten second shot clock. Rebound number 8.
Supply ni ano, ni Jude.
2 points. The 47. 30 seconds. Ten second shot clock. Ball number 24. Warning for penalty. 19 seconds.
First foul.
44, 2 points. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And a third quarter. Fourth quarter. Possession auto. Ant-Man.
Sino lamang? Kami. Nice pass, oh.
Rebound wing 7. Out of bounds.
Castro.
Foul number 12.
Castro. Yun na nga yun, yung Kelvin.
Guys!
Yung Kelvin.
Malayo!
Medalista. Basta yun.
Okay lang!
Hindi gumagana eh.
Robert po! Kalma! Gather na siya!
Foul count ba?
Gather na. Sino Paul? Go wide! Yun, player mo yung Paul.
Hindi na foul pa yun. Sa Menyas pa.
Out of bounds.
Sir Mike, nakaharang eh. Sir Mike! Hindi namin makita. Parang wala kayong makita.
Foul number 27.
Seven, tatlo na yan ah.
Third personal. Foul number 27. Third foul. Out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock. 11 seconds. Lock number 27. Still 31. Still number 8. Grade 1, 2 points. Still. Grade 1. Rebound, 23. 32, 2 points.
Quarter na pre.
10 second shot clock.
Basket!
Rebound number 32.
Ayun! Oh, tagal!
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Defensive rebound, 23. Foul number 21. Substitution. Substitution.
First foul.
Sir, magiging ano ka?
23 2 points.
Score tayo. Go!
Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution for number 58.
Lagi na lang.
Ten seconds shot clock. 23 2 points.
Apat lang.
Malaki yan.
Rebound 23. Out of bounds.
Paano masana? Binibigyan ng player time eh.
10 seconds shot clock.
Nice pass.
Instant rebound 24. 2 points. The 24. Ten second shot clock. Instant rebound 27. Ball number 8.
Time out.
Hindi pa kami nagta-time out.
Di pa ata kayo time out. Wala pa.
Ilan? Tatlo?
Stay number 42. Traveling violation.
Tatlo na, follow pa naman.
Last ball number 8. Third personal foul.
Kapapal nila lang kayo. Sino kanila?
Stay number 7. Foul number 22.
Sir, sab.
Substitution.
Time out kami 4 minutes.
Defensive rebound number 8, 2 points. Seven, 2 points. Twenty-four, 2 points. Time out, Team Broadside.
May laro siya eh.
Hearing ads. Mix up your playlist with song recommendations from Smart Shuffle or take total control of your listening with unlimited skips and repeats. Experience music without limits. Tap the banner to get started.
Bars.
Football 24.
Tres. Uli.
Same ball, shot clock, 10 seconds. Five second shot clock. 2 points, number 8. Still out of bounds.
Penalty ba? Hindi sir.
Ayun o, kayo
Oo,
penalty.
penalty, sir.
Kayo.
23, 2 points. Ten second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Sablay, Chris. Paul sa ano yun? Maraming sir sa post. Sige po, sige po.
Rebound number 8. Offensive foul. Number 24. Substitution. Substitution. Substitution.
Second foul. 24. Second foul, 24.
Panalo na yan.
Last 2 minutes. Still the 22. 2 points. Time out.